Okay, so this is our last example on topic 4-4. So given that OA is 12, so OA all the way here is 12, and OB is 6, and the edge measure of angle BAC is 60. That's this one right here is 60. Find all the following. Can you hear trolls in the background? I'm jamming here in my chair. All right, so how long is OC? Well, OC, like the OC. OC is also a radius, so OC is also 6. All the radii are 6. So OE is also going to be 6 here. ED. How long is ED? Well, what's ED? ED is a diameter, right? So what's the diameter compared to the radius? Twice. So it's 12. How do I know it's a diameter? Well, it goes through the center of the circle. Okay? So let's change colors just because I want to. So how long is AB? Well, what do we know about a radius and a tangent that intersect? They intersect at a 90-degree angle, right? So how can I find the leg? How can I find AB? Well, I know the hypotenuse is 12, and this is 6. So I'm going to do 12 squared. I'm trying to find a place where you can see it here. 12 squared minus 6 squared, because I'm doing hypotenuse minus leg equals x squared. So 144 minus 36 equals x squared. So 144 minus 36 is 108. I'm going to do the inverse operation. Remember, inverse it. So I'm going to square root it. So I get the square root of 108. Now I'm going to simplify it. So 108, if I factor it, is 2 times 54. 54 is 2 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9. And 9, let's move this up a bit, is 3 times 3. So let's look for the pairs. So I have 2 2s and 3 3s. Pair, pair. For every pair, 1 comes out. And what's left underneath? The 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 square roots of 3. So AB is 6 square roots of 3. Right there. So what's AC going to equal? Well, isn't AC, this paper would stay still, a tangent to the same exterior point as AB to the same circle? So it's also 6 square roots of 3. What's the measure of angle BAO? Well, look at the relationship here. If this leg is half the hypotenuse, right? If I were to pull this out, this is 12 and this is 6 and this is 6 square root of 3. Do you recognize that pattern? It's a 30, 60, 90. So BAO is a 30-degree angle. It's that 60 cut in half. Okay? Then we've got OCA. Well, OCA is easy. What should that be? 90, because it's a radius and a tangent. And then we've got AOC. Well, if this is 30 and that's 90, AOC has to be 60. These are both 60s. EOC, we love taking those. EOC is also the same thing. Do you see how EOC is the same angle as AOC? So it's also 60. And then EA, well, if the whole thing is 12 and your radius is 6, what's EA? This piece is 6. Kind of confusing, but you have to look at all the segments in the tangent.